many people ask me what I eat every day because they know that I have studied deeply how nutrition impacts brain function. I can't invite you into my own kitchen, but I can invite you to an exclusive one-day mastermind in Lisbon on the 23rd of September, where I'm going to be doing a deep dive in a beautiful kitchen with a chef to show you how to cook the kinds of food that will keep your brain healthy and functioning optimally across your lifetime. You see, what we eat every single day impacts not just the structure of our brain, but also how it functions. It impacts our mood, our capacity to focus and concentrate, how creative we are, how much sleep we get, and what the quality of that sleep is. And obviously, it impacts our capacity to be successful both in business and in our personal lives. I very much look forward to welcoming you to this event. It's going to be a beautiful day with delicious food and wonderful goodies in a very special gift pack for you. Join me there.